Hi guys, there's Somal Dikshit. Welcome back to my channel Somal Explorer. And in today's video, I'm going to show you that how you girls can do your college makeup look without wasting of much more time. And yeah, this is my first video on this channel. Also, don't forget to show your love on this channel. And I have my one more channel with the name Sunanda Dhaba, and on that channel I'll make different types of food items recipes. So if you haven't watched it yet, go and watch it right now. I'll give you the link on my description box. Click it and go. Also, don't forget to do like, comment and share. Also subscribe. So guys, before you start your makeup, first you have to wash your face with your any cleanser or any face wash. Then you have to prep your skin, which is very important. So here I'm going to use this Lakme Peach Milk Soft Cream. You can use any moisturizer, whatever you guys have available at your home. So guys, next I'm going to use this Good Vibes Cucumber Gel, which is very refreshing for me. And if you guys were using this, so I think you know very well that this is very refreshing because gel are very refreshing. So if you have any gel, you can use it. Wait for a minute, then you can start your makeup because you are applying a gel which is very important to absorb in your skin. Then you have to start your makeup. So guys, my next product is my sunscreen, which is very important for school going girls, college going girls, or anyone. Very important. So here I'm using this sunblock lotion from Blossom Culture Aroma Magic with the SPF 30 all natural minimal line, so you can use it. Don't forget your neck also, or your hands. So guys, now I'm going to use this Lakme Perfect Radiance Concealer Stick because I think whenever we wake up for the college, we are always getting late. So that's why I'm not going to use their foundation. I'm going to use this Lakme concealer. Then I'll be back. Then I'll use my these two compact powder for the high coverage. When you're applying, when you're using your beauty blender, first you have to wash it. So guys, for the college going girls, liner is too optional. If you want to apply it, so you can. If you don't want to apply it, you can avoid it also. But right now I'm going to use a Maybelline New York, the Colossal Bold Liner. This is how it's look, and it's a jet black eyeliner. So now I'm going to use this liner. So guys, I'm almost done with my liner, and now I'm going to use this Huda Beauty Waterproof Mascara. So guys, I'm done with my mascara also, and now I'm going to use my this Himalaya Sense 1930 Kajal eye definer. So let's use this. Okay, so guys, I'm done with my eye makeup, and now I'm going to do my eyebrows. I think I don't want to do anything on my eyebrows, but I have to set them. So for that, I'm going to use this eyebrow definer, water resistant, from Blue Heaven. So let's just use it. Okay, so guys, for the blusher, I'm going to use this Lakme Matte Absolute. You can use Chick Tint, you can use your pink eyeshadow. Also, you can use this light pink shade lipstick, which I'm going to use here. So you have, so you can also use it if you have. Okay, so guys, now for the highlighter, I'm going to use my silver eyeshadow. You can use your golden eyeshadow also. So I have this Jacqueline eyeshadow palette, and from this I'm going to use this one eyeshadow color. For my highlighter, I'm going to use my fingers for it. So guys, I am done with my highlighter, and now I'm going to do my lip. So guys, for the lipstick, I'm going to use these two shades. One is from MJ Color Love Matte Technology Lipstick Velvet Texture. It's a velvet texture, and this is the shade 13, and I'm going to use it. First, you have to just draw a line on your lips. So guys, for the liquid shade, I'm going to use here Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade 9, Pink Peach. And then you have to just mix them. I'm going to mix it with the help of this brush. You can also use your fingers. So guys, I'm done with my makeup. Now I'm going to change my outfit, which is very important. So guys, I'm done with my college going makeup look. So if you guys would like this makeup, don't forget to do like, comment and share. And now you can see my makeup look. I hope you guys will love this makeup look, and if you want these such type of more videos, so don't forget to comment me below so that I'll make more videos for you guys. And yeah, that's it for the today's video. And again, don't forget to subscribe my channel if you want these types of videos, so you can got my notifications time to time. And bye bye, wait for my next video guys. Also don't forget to subscribe Sunil the Dhaba channel. Bye bye.